I bought this Mangamania Girl Power drawing book for my daughter, and she said that it really helped her to learn how to draw manga girls. Here are the contents. You're going to learn the basics, drawing head, eyes, body, hands and feet, which are always difficult to do, and all the different styles you have: witches, vampires, cat girls, adventure girls, athletes, princess, pretty tomboys, fantasy chefs, gothic and frilly girls, slice of life, beach party, boy crazy, girls and their pets. So pretty, so cute. Gives you nice, colorful photos. And here's the basics. Just flip through a little bit. So you can see how it gives you the different ways to draw. So you can just follow along quite easily. Here's the Shojo Style. And these are just adorable. My daughter has a full book of her drawings. Unfortunately, I cannot show those, but you'll really love this book. It's got lots of really cute pictures, cute poses, and you will definitely learn how to draw every one of these pictures. I highly recommend it.